Hello everyone. The next comment of this series is from the video code of this channel. Thank you so much Dark. I have been searching all over the World Wide Web for this information. You have no idea how incredibly useful this insightful tutorial is. I've struggled so much finding the method do print in Python. When I first opened Notepad I was completely devastated when it did not provide any information on how to write code that is this complex. So I started a journey. I began surfing through the entire internet. Going searching for answers on search engines like Bing or DuckDuckGo. But to my despair, there was absolutely nothing. I was hopeless and started feeling depressed. I couldn't take it anymore. I began trying to find the method myself, typing countless combinations of letters, numbers and special characters, getting errors all day long. Then ChatGPT got released to the public. I decided I would as the owl because it's supposed to be intelligent, right? No. It gave me 5 pages of complex information about the print theory in Python. That's right, this code was so difficult it was considered impossible to many, so they started calling this a theory. I read through the whole 5 pages 27 times, but then it clicked. Read it. It contains the smartest human beings on planet Earth. I searched for hours and then I found a user that has claimed to have figured it out. He was lying. And as you know, desperate times call for desperate measures. So, I decided to visit YouTube. A fairly popular website with some of the most intelligent people such as BarackObama.com. I spent years looking for this, visiting the sketchiest and strangest corners of the YouTube platform. But then, I stumbled across a YouTube video named Code. The author of said video went by the alias of Dark. This was my last chance. Years of searching has led me to this moment. I watched the 13 seconds video in pure excitement and at 0:10 I finally saw it, the thing I devoted my entire life towards. The only thing I've had in mind. My wife divorced me and took my kids, but this was truly the happiest moment in my life. Once again thank you so much Dark, you are seriously the best.